Hey folks, the Black Glacier again. As you can see, I did make some progress from last time, like I said I was going to. I had run into a couple of bumps that kind of flustered me a bit. I had to put the cooler here instead of up there because of these right here. They're so high ceiling-wise that installing the water cooler up here was just not physically possible. So I had to swap the two fans up here from the original location where the water cooler now is. But as you can see, it's all finally in with the exception of one final part, which I figured I'd do while doing this recording. Let me just get the phone set up in a decent spot. Actually got some good light today. Speaking of today, there should be a rather amusing thing that some of y'all might find funny, because something my hair just naturally does. Might as well just get this out of the way. My hair naturally does that when it's nice and clean, so go figure. Alright, so the last and most expensive part in the whole thing, this. And I kid you not, that is literally the most expensive component in this entire thing. Talk about selling a kidney, figuratively speaking. There it is. The other one's carried off too, but this will work. Okay. So, for some folks that don't know, this is a really high-end video card, or at least it should be for the amount of money you pay for it. And it should run very, very well for my rig. Be very careful, because like I said, as expensive as this is, and as difficult as it was to acquire, I do not want this to break. It's on that over there. Put this back in there for the moment. Something else that might actually help. I'm thinking about it. And with it being daylight, probably won't hurt to add a little extra light to the scene. And here we go. Big financial chungus of this whole build. Manufacturing detritus right there. And there's the opening. Alright. Now, just to double check what I need for the installation of you. Okay, video card, there we go. Does not really specify which two bits for the video card. I think that's thumb screws, but I'm not 100% certain on that. Guess we'll find out. Yeah, I think those are just the thumb screws. So this. Let's have a little more elbow room to work with. Now, for those that might be wondering later on, at the time I did this, a friend pointed me out to a feature on a really good part acquisition site called Newegg. And Newegg has a feature called the Newegg Shuffle, where it's basically a little lottery thing where you basically throw your name into a hat, figuratively speaking, and then you wait and see if your name was pulled in a hat, essentially. And if you're lucky for whatever one you picked, you'll have the chance to buy it. The chance, mind you, you're not automatically given that. Interesting. Okay. I was sort of expecting this would sit in a different way than what it is. Also having to fight with the water cables because they are not exactly in the best place, because I'm pretty sure that the cooler said that the pump had to be above where those lines are. So hello. I think my best option for installation will probably be right here. I don't think I'll be able to put it here without it lighting. Well, I might be able to get it right there. It'll be a tight fit, but I think it'll be better than right down here where it'll looks like it'll be constantly colliding with the cooler cable. Yeah, I think I'll have a better chance of putting it up on that top slot rather than the bottom one. So, I'm going to go ahead and do that then. Given how heavy that is, I'm going to very carefully set this down. Do not drop it. There. Just lay while maneuvering. Every part this has installed in it makes it heavier and heavier. Whew. Quite a bit of a workout. Now, my apologies about the location, but I don't really have any better spots for the camera while I'm potentially putting in the video card. So, That's the downside with some parts is their profiles don't exactly mesh very well for some things. Case in point with the RAM and the water cooler not exactly being the best of buddies. And I wish the water cooler's pump lines were over just a little further to the right. Because if they were, it would have a little more wiggle room for plugging in the video card. Jack, you didn't do what I think you just did you? Okay, good. Downside of smart pets, sometimes they do stuff you don't want them to do. Figured as much. There we go. Whew. Be right back. Well, you're just determined to make this video a fun one today, aren't you? Okay, back to what I was trying to do. Okay, come on. There we go. Both thumb screws. I think you should be able to just right. Yep, there we go. Okay. So now we have those out. We can install the video card. And that should do it. That's done. That's done. So after we get the video card in, that just leaves one more step, which will be all the cabling, which again I'll probably do that off camera just because of how long that stuff can take. And then that just leaves the final step of getting all the software in there. Here we go. And there it is. An RTX 3080. Expensive as all living hell, but worth it in the end if it performs well. things I won't know how to do though is come on. I know there's to get you off. And all this protective stuff they put on these things. There we go. Oh, that's sure. Alright, there we go. Nice and clean. Don't forget to pull these off. Oh, hello. I didn't notice that. Little protectors for the slots. So I can't remove the last little bit of protection without those gone. And there we go. All ready to go, with the exception of the thing protecting the pins itself. Now you'll notice me, I'm not like just grabbing it like this or whatever. I'm holding it by the edges, which when it comes to a lot of electronics, you actually want to do to protect them, because a lot of them are not meant to be held by the electronics themselves. There we go. All nice and ready. There. Put you right here. Need to move the final bit. Alright. Not much to be anything else, so we should be good. The juggling part of getting it in there nice and gentle. Yeah, work yourself, dude. There we go. Nice little click. Always want to listen for that little last little click. Okay. I'm going to put the thumb screws back in. Like that. Last thing I want to do was exactly that. Okay, now comes the fun part of getting out. Whew. I put a little sweat in the work. Fortunately, I wish I had one little tool that would make this a lot safer. I can't remember the name of the tool in question, but it basically is like a little grabber. Okay. Let's try this again, hopefully without that incident reoccurring. That really sucks. Whew. That really got me sweating. That really worried me for a moment. Because there are a lot of delicate components when you're working in a PC. Actually, I think better bits for this. So grab you. This one. Whew. Nothing like a little sweat loosen stuff to make you friends. Hopefully that should be fine. Don't do the same thing you did with the first one. That would be rather hilarious. Exactly like I almost did right there. Okay. Make sure those are nice and tight. Like that. Alrighty. And that is the video card installed. Final check. Switches. Oh, you are quite the heavy one now. Oh, there we go. All the parts installed now. Water cooler, CPU, the radiator for the cooler, the RAM, motherboard, video card, and the storage. Man, was that expensive and rather time consuming. But hopefully it will be worth it. So that's everything for this video. Like I said, last thing I'll do for final showing of this is I'll get all the cabling hooked up on this and then get it started, to get the software going. And the last thing will be showing off to completion. Anyways, this is the Black Glacier for the last time on this video and for this little series. Hope you all have a good day, good evening, and good night wherever you are. And as always, have a howling good day. That's it.